Alright everyone, Lee here, the bartending photo boothing rental guy, and today we're going to talk about a photo booth program that pairs with DSLR booth called Fotoshare.
If you have DSLR booth and you have a photo booth, go to
FOTOSHARE.co and sign up.
Definitely get Fotoshare if you want the booth to automatically upload photos to an account. Once you get this, then your guests can automatically get the photos that they instantly take through the booth to email, or if you get them through text message, you'll need something called Twilio, but we'll cover that on another video. I've noticed a lot of questions that are on some of my videos could be answered with a walkthrough of Fotoshare. We're gonna get into it. So this here is one of my digital photo booths. You could build one of these really easy. If you are interested in building one, head on over to my DIY photo booth build videos and build one yourself. I'll show you how basically. But let's get into Fotoshare. Okay, so the photo booth's just booting up and we still got Fotoshare here just on the website, Fotoshare.co. Looks like the fan needs a little replace. Okay, so the photo booth is started right up and you can see pops right into it. That's how I have it set up. Anyways, what we're gonna go into is we're going to go settings. And then we are going to go into sharing. And then as you're sharing, you'll see Fotoshare Cloud in sharing.
So Fotoshare Cloud is the best way to share, showcase, and deliver event photos, get customized event page, password protection, and an embedded gallery, detailed analytics, and more. So
what you want to do is click manage your Fotoshare account. And then it goes just into Fotoshare, which I have right up there. And then you just put your password in and you log in. This is where I'm just gonna log in on the computer. You can do it on the booth, but I'd rather the booth not save my credentials since it's going out to clients all the time and I don't want them to snoop around on the booth and have access to anything. Okay, so I'm logged in here and you can see I've got different events. Basically, yeah, you can click in. It stores all your events for you. So, I mean, we can click into Matt and Aaron's wedding. So that one's actually happening today. So, we can see that, okay, they've got the booth connected. That's awesome. This is us just setting up the booth there. They're getting it ready there. Seems to be going good. I told them that they needed more lighting for the video booth because they also opted for video booth. And then, it's still dark on their second one. They figured out the lighting by that photo for the video booths and it's all lit up. So you can kind of see their progress there as you go, and you can control basically anything within the settings of their album. So, I mean, you can change the name that will send when text messages come, the event date, you can change background color, text color, background image, the privacy setting there, that's a big one. So, it's set on private. So when it's set on private, that means that the pictures that will come to each guest will just be the pictures that were taken during that time that they were in the booth. If you set it over to the other one, which is public, then it will send the album out to them each time. So you want to change it to private normally and then just go down and save it. So you save and then that will be good. So Fotoshare is where the booth will upload your photos to. So this is Fotoshare. So I'm just going to show you how it works. So all you have to do is make a new event for yourself on your photo booth. So let's make one. So instead of Christina, we'll make a new one. We're not on Christina's event anymore. So we'll go here, create a new event. Let's call it YouTube. Let's launch the event. Okay, so now the event's called YouTube. So all we have to do is take some photos. So the flash isn't connected, so it might be dark when it takes the photo. It was fun. The daylight works good with the camera. So we'll take the 4 photos that my booth is currently set to take.
yeah, looking good, YouTube. Looking good out there. Woo! Perfect.
Okay, so once it takes those photos, the booth is currently uploading it to Fotoshare right now because this is connected to Wi-Fi. So you'll notice once a little QR code pops up there, then you'll know that it's online already. So you could scan the QR code to get your photo. You know what? We'll just text it and it will text the Fotoshare photo. So I'll put my phone number in.
So that's sending.
Okay, so I'll just show my phone up here and we'll show how it sends to the phone. And yeah, so it'll come up and then all of a sudden it'll send you the link to the Fotoshare account. And this is where your guests will be able to see their photos instantly if your booth's connected to Wi-Fi. For all you users who are wondering what it's like to have the paid version of Fotoshare, stay tuned where I'll be making that video. So that is the basic uses of Fotoshare.co app that works with your photo booth. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more photo booth videos. You stay classy.